Share ko lang ninyo guys, kining multiplication tricks by 5. Kung imong i-multiply ang 5 sa any 2-digit number guys, so imong buhaton is you have to divide it by 2. Kung even number ni siya, punan lang nimo og 0. Pero kung odd number siya guys, imo lang siyang i-eliminate ang decimal point guys. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned something different. So please share this video for others to learn. Thank you guys.